Here we go. Try this side now. Got an insane amount of spin the other time I was on this. Amusement park inside of a mall over there. That's where the legendary mind bender used to be. Gerstlauer spinner. Let's see what we got. And we're already spinning down the drop. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, we're gonna be dizzy again after this. All right, slow down the spinning a little bit. All right, it also doesn't help that I don't know this layout. Hey, airtime. All right, still have no clue where I am. Oh. All right. Now this is where we got some insane spinning last time into this last helix. Okay, looks like we're fine for now. Oh, that was way less spinning. Oh my gosh. All right. There we go. So that, not nearly as much spinning as last time, and I'm a little thankful because I was actually pretty dizzy. Alright, we're all strapped in. Oh boy, here we go. It is just me in here. So we should get some spin because we'll be unbalanced. And wow, this will probably be the rarest credit I have, all the way out here in Edmonton, Canada. My third mall with an amusement park, the biggest mall on the continent of North America. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh my goodness! Oh, airtime and whoa! Oh, what a spin! Oh my goodness! Oh! I have no clue where I'm going. I don't know this layout at all. Okay, well okay, we're going around the entrance! Right there is where we stood yesterday and we're unable to get in, so I know a little bit where we are. We're on our second lift hill. Oh my goodness! Whoa! Third lift hill as we enter where Mindbender used to be, obviously all throughout this area right here, riding nearby where the legend was. Oh, G-forces! Oh my gosh! Whoa! What is going on? Oh my gosh. That is the most spinning I've ever got. I'm actually dizzy right now. And okay, I think we're on the brake run. But I have no clue what is going on. That's how much I'm spinning currently. Whoa. Okay, can we stop this before I actually... Oh my goodness. Alright, thank you. I am actually dizzier than I have ever been on any roller coaster ever from that. That was insane. Alright, let me get my bearings straight here.